Good Wednesday morning. I'm running a little late today, guys. I really do not feel good. I've already drawn off all of our lines and support and resistance. I had a trade right here that I didn't. I forgot to do the parameters on it, so I manually put in a sell for profit and a buy for a stop loss. And when it was green, it filled the other one in the other direction, and I just left it. I haven't touched it yet. I got bigger things to worry about today. I really don't feel good. My mind isn't all there. So let me just jump in here on this pre-market prep. All right, guys. Yesterday's close is right here. Don't forget to mark off yesterday's close. You got major news, which is why the market's been acting the way it has. All right. We have Fed interest rate. We have the FOMC, the FOMC, and then we got federal press conference later on today. So this is going to be 5 hours from now. Press conference 5 hours from now. What do we got coming up at 9:30? We have existing home sales. I don't really see this doing too much at 9:30 because most traders, smart ones anyway, are going to be waiting for the 2 to 3 o'clock time frame, waiting on this news here. This is going to be major market moving news today. I got my alert set up. I will be around. Again, so what are we looking for, right? We broke through this resistance right here. All right, this was an excellent area to play. And let me show you why. All right. What do I tell you? I love trading. Areas of liquidity. It's going to be your biggest profit zone. It's going to be the most money you make all day just by being patient, right? You have all of this as fuel. And when we don't have news, the only other thing we have to use as fuel is people's stop losses, right? All of these stop losses. We had the beautiful entry bar. Beautiful, solid green entry bar, right? Look at that bad boy. Taking out all those stop losses. That would have been a beautiful play to take. Wasn't here, was outside. And I got to actually walk the girls to school. All right? We have a beautiful bull flag forming now off of that. This is where your take profit would have been. Yesterday's little resistance area. But that would have been a beautiful 30-point move, right? On the NASDAQ, whoo, that's a $3,000 play right there. Beautiful play. All right, so anyhow, I wouldn't trust anything. The last 4 days have been anything but stellar. All right, we have our zones marked off. Today, we could potentially see massive moves in either direction. I think all this news has been already priced in. So to the upside, you're looking for these. Are we going to be making massive moves to the upside after this news? Are we going to be making massive moves to the downside? Are we going to, move and chop around, move and chop around, move and chop around? I don't really think we're going to see any big moves. I mean, we might see some at the bell with that news coming out. You never know what games they're going to play when we have news like days like today. So, personally, the only thing I will be trading today is areas of liquidities, pullbacks, and fake outs. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, you will eventually. But this would have been a beautiful play. There was a beautiful one this morning. You had this major area of congestion. We had this beautiful entry bar. You guys know how much this drives me nuts, right? We had that beautiful entry bar. I would have jumped right in that trade, even though it's in the no trade zone. But all this happened outside of the no trade zone. When that typically happens, you just let it run right back down into that support level. All right, guys, so I don't have much to really talk about today, only because I got a lot of things going on. I still got that 30-day boot camp I'm working on. My brain is kind of fried. I don't feel good. I got to run and get the girls to the bus stop right now. So, again, that's what we're looking for. I wouldn't be too giddy to trade with large size today until after the news, after we have confirmation. If you are a large position trader, I would definitely not recommend trading large position. Even on a trade like this, the last few days and today's news, I would be reducing my position size by 90% on a day like today. It's just not the day to go all in. All right? even a bull flag, beautiful bull flag, had no follow through yet. All right, and these are the telltale signs, right? Beautiful bull flag, beautiful move out. And let me just tell you one thing here, guys. Doesn't matter what market is, what market you're trading, forex, futures, the stock market, crypto. When you see moves like this and they don't have follow through, typically what the market makers are doing is everybody who is here with their stop losses, you're talking about millions of dollars in stop losses right here. They come up, they take that money out, and then they'll come right back down, take out all the calls that were here, millions more dollars, then they'll bring it right back up here, right to this bar, okay? And then they'll come and sell it off the rest of the day. All right, you got to pay attention, guys. You got to know what they're doing. You guys are going to learn all that here with our October small account challenge. But that's a rule of thumb, all right? I already don't like what we're seeing. All right, a lot of games are going to be played today, so keep your positions small. You know, don't be chasing anything. Don't be buying up here, right, when you should have got in down here, right, on this bar. Don't be chasing stocks, right? That's why traders fail. Don't be trading in the no trade zone where you know I've been telling you not to trade, right, guys? Be safe out there. Be cautious. And I'll do a live video here once things calm down in a little bit. God bless y'all, and I'll see you in the live trading.